This program is rated G and is suitable for general audiences.
Good day, folks, and YouTube universe. We're back again for our non-stop sounds like 90s mixtape. Our non-stop unboxing provided by Amazon. Yo, thank you, sponsors. As you can see in the background, that's all like for later, and I will explain that Quacks. It's not Quacks, but Aquaman the Evil. When you watch that one, Flashpoint, please do so. That's courtesy of GameStop, formerly EB Games. So keep on subscribing. You're watching Pinoy Hour. And why we do this? We do this to share to you the experience of opening boxes and basically have the experience with us while we open them. We are an inbox collector. We don't open this thing unless someone likes to open them, and which ends up being open and put on the side. But anyway, this is our collection. Happy New Year 2024. So I date stamped it or time stamped. But anyway, I'll just proceed first. Okay, got the crow there, Brandon Lee. That's Brandon Lee crow. There's 3 crows, but I got the Brandon Lee. Yep, we'll discuss them later. Let's get this show on the road. There's the friendly scissor. So as we advise the kids there, or minors, don't play with the scissors. It's kind of sharp. This is cool scissors, you can see. But yeah, Mr. Scissors here is a big part of our program. But let's do this. Okay. What's going on here? So as you open or pry open the boxes, just have to be careful as usual. And yeah, shout out to our fellow hobbyists there, or collectors. Of course, inspires us to continue your craft. But yeah, paper's already slipping out. What do we have here? Oh yeah, okay. Paper on the side. And what do we do? There's a D. What the heck, man? There's a bump. Anyway, it's new for 2022. Nuevo for 2022. Nuevo para 22. But anyway, I just don't like but anyway, it's a sponsored thing. This is the Hush one. Man-Bat or Batman Hush. Alright, you can see there. See their superpowers collection, and like them all, there's the 3 Darkseid, the Superman, and the Child of Watch Kill. There you go. But this is the Hush version. If everybody watched Hush, it's amazing. But this is a reissue from 80s toy / 90s or 1990s and then / 1980s. But Mcfarlane sealed it, so Mcfarlane is the big reason you buy or recollect this one, because yeah, that's his name. And yeah, everybody has this, it's gonna be sweet. Another part of our collection. Welcome, bats. See that there? That's a Hush. Hush. And anyway, I'll put that dude on the side. Box is gone. It's just there. Okay. Okay, what do we have? A bigger box. Okay. What's this? Talk like gibberish. But anyway, box. Calgary. Box. Okay, let's do this, boys. What do we have here? This what we're thinking about. Thank you, Amazon, for sending this. Woo! We got a winner. We got a balloon boy. What? We got. Well, this is big. Well, hot damn. Well, this is. It's huge. I never even. What? Beep, beep, beep. Well, this is huge, man. Well, what? I never expected this big. It's the Oxnard. The Oxnard. We got the part 3. Oh, there's 4 variants. We have to get the 3rd one, but this is the railings. But Oxnard. Yeah, boy. Let's see some crap here. Oh yeah. Yeah, we had a big one. Yeah, I'm surprised. Because I never know it would be this big. I was expecting a Jada scaled one, like a smaller, but we'll take it. We'll take it, Amazon. There's Jada. Jada there. There's a Diecast. Because why not? As you can see, Jada doesn't have the DMC logo. And what we assume is they don't have the rights. Either or, we got the white side. Well, this is a beauty. It's a beaut, baby. It's the Fusion, which is a busted one. This is a beaut. Head out the Deloreon. Yeah. So we have to search for the 4. Darn, this is nice. That's nice. This one is very hard to get. You won't even see anywhere, so we have to hunt it. But yeah, thank you, Amazon. There's like the time circuits, because Marty went back in time. But wow, this is a good scale. I love it. Look at this. With that said, let's go on the side. Thank you again. There's the opened one. Box 1, box 2, and the rest are, of course, we got the Batman Hot Wheels, like a goofy color, but that's like a Joker mobile. It's like a mid Joker. Like, look at it. It's purple and gold. Purple and gold. It's like this guy. But anyway, yeah, we got the 2 Batman, the animated series, the TV series Batmobile. And I wanna share this one. Why? Because that's the evil Clarks or Aquaman. You can see the you should guys watch Flashpoint. They're even shouting there. Yeah, you guys. I'm not gonna spoil any plots, but yeah. Thank you, GameStop. It's even on sale. They just wanted to show in the show, but yeah, there's just death in Atlantis, or I think he flooded that one area, but. Yeah, I got the clocks there, got the trident, what's that, spear? Anyway, yeah, this is a beaut. This is where Aquaman is freaking powerful and just not nursed. But you guys need to watch. Flashpoint, Aquaman, watch it. We got the Batman Black and White. Well, this guy is just gonna get hanged, and we don't know who we get. So I guess hopefully the mystery villain. But anyway, we got the Hush one. Oh my, Gary Frank. Okay, it's a popular one. But anyway, it's a series 2. Thank you, Toys R Us. It's from yeah. It's Elvis Presley. So yeah, he's there, and yeah, it's yeah, Elvis Presley. Let me hide and treat you. Anyway, The Crow. Why is The Crow? Brandon Lee. One of my favorite movies. Might be top there, even the favorite. But yeah, this is a Hot Topic exclusive. So this is a blockbuster. It's a VHS tape, but it's a twin set. This is like for the boys in the 70s, 80s, 90s. Commemoration, so you need to buy this because it looks like a VHS tape. Where you go to Blockbuster Video, they even have the logo. But yeah, thank you, Hot Topic. Well, this guy doesn't need any introduction. This guy is number 23 now, and Lakers are playing bad. But anyway, thank you for the time again you shared with us. This is our show for today. What's my favorite for today's show? It has to be this one. It has to be this one. This money. But with that said, you guys take care. Keep on subscribing. It's free. Because why not, right? And yeah, you're watching Pinoy Hour. We wish you good health. And yeah, happy 2024. Peace out.
Of course, you are welcome as well to subscribe if you wanted to.
Hello, good day po sa mga nanood.